Yeah, came at 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Hey everyone, so today is day 38 and the final day of my 30 days challenge. And you know what? Like, these 30 days have been like really good. I learned a lot, kind of a revision, I would say, but like I first completed like Python basic syntax, and after then, like after 20 days, I was a bit confused, like what should I learn? And then after giving a lot thought about it, after thinking a lot about it, I chose I would learn how to work with data, like data analysis and stuff. And let me just cut it off. And I don't know, I will like see if I can do anything, or I will just go on and learn something else, something new. But learning data analysis, or you know, I thought it was important because like it will help me in looking or analyzing big data in future, which I might get or might come across, and it might really help me. So I thought, and it seemed easy, okay, and I know it is easy, believe me. I have did like a decent level, means I am like at a starting level, like means I did all the zero work required, and I am at a level from where I can start now in data science, okay. So until here it is not that hard. People mostly just neglect data science, so I thought I would start with it, because until miss see that there is this thing, until I'm curious about few things, I would do all the boring stuff in that time, so that when my curiosity runs away, that time I don't have to do all the boring stuff. I would just go on and look at all the interesting stuff I want to do. That was also one more reason I chose data science. And I learned like working with Jupyter Notebook, a new framework, PyCharm, VS Code. Then I learned about various modules, libraries. I hardly remember much of them, but I know what are they used for, right? What I can do with them, or how I can search for them. I know these things, and I think with these things in my mind, I would be really good, because remembering syntax is not like that much important, I guess. So this is kind of like giving you overview of how it has been and how it has changed me. Like, first video I was not even able to talk. It was that worst. And slowly, it was 30 days, not that great, but surely I have made some changes. At least I can speak now, and better, like better than how it was in my first video. And if I continue doing so, I think I can improve upon a lot. And like my explanation is also really bad. Like, even if even I myself, if I watch one of my videos, I might not understand, it is that bad. But okay, I will try and I will like make it, okay. And this series was not like for like making videos that are actually good. It was like starting, okay. Like, at least I will start, even if even if it was so worst, even if the video was really bad, starting was important. So I have just started. I have not given much thought about editing the video or much thought about you know, like making the video better and making the explanation better. No, I have like worked upon making the explanation part better, but like video part, making it better was not my main idea in this series as well, I think, at least. So like that's how it has been. And like, you know, in this, all I needed was like a revision kind of, but the revision I needed was not just like overview revision. I needed in-depth revision, and that's why I give 30 days. Like at first I was considering like, nah, I will do it in just 10 days. 10 days was also like too much to think of, but then I gave it a thought, and I was like, no, at least once I have to do it again properly. So I tried, and believe me, I have learned so much, and there is still so much to learn, but I am happy like seeing my progress and where I stand right now. And I'm really looking forward that how far I can go, and it kind of motivates me. And what else? Like from here on, I don't know what I will do, what much things I will do, but you know, being in first year, I guess I'm actually better, and I want to do it more better. And this is means, nah, how much time it is? Let me just check. 7 minutes, I think that will be it. This was just how like 30 days went by. I didn't even know. And thank you, even if you like no one watches. But yeah, one of my friend Rushi, he really helped me, after means through these 30 days, and thanks to him as well, and thanks to you if anyone did ever watch one of my video. And that's all. Thank you.